Hi everyone, it's Dr. Valentine here. I'm one of the founders of Icon Dental Center. We are based out in Washington State and we have offices in Seattle and in Everett. In our office, we are multifaceted, which means we have your family doctors. We also have specialists that come into the office to see our patients so that we are able to basically treat you guys as a whole, give you guys all the services you possibly need to keep your oral health in perfect condition. So in today's video, I want to spend a few minutes to talk about options of whitening. We get this question a lot from our patients. You know, they're either unhappy with the color of their teeth or, you know, they're just wanting it a little bit brighter. And so they always ask us, you know, how can we whiten our teeth? One of the things that we do in our office is what we call Zoom Whitening. Now, it's a special in-house treatment that we offer. We typically will schedule our patients for a 2-hour visit. Sometimes it'll end up being a little bit shorter than that. It kind of depends on how white you want to go. One of the first things I tell patients when it comes to whitening is that whitening is not something that will damage your enamel. How whitening works is basically we apply whitening gel onto your teeth, which will then basically grab onto the stained particles that are attached to your tooth surface, and it will pull those stained particles off the tooth, leaving the actual structure of the tooth intact. So no, it does not damage your enamel or anything like that, which is awesome. I think that's a big concern that most people have, and it stops them from getting the treatment. So yes, no irreversible damage. And then the other thing about whitening is you might have a little bit of a temporary increased sensitivity, and that's basically because we pulled all those little stained particles off the surface of your tooth, and so your tooth is a little bit more naked now, and so temporarily you may have a little extra sensitivity to hot and cold things, that type of stuff. So we would generally recommend for you to use like a sensitive toothpaste before treatment. Sometimes we'll recommend like ibuprofen or something like that right after the therapy, just to kind of help you keep you comfortable until that goes away. Generally, after a day or so, the sensitivity will go back to normal. The whitening option is great, and it will allow you to get 1 to 2 shades whiter while you're in the chair, so you go home with visibly whiter, brighter teeth. Now, sometimes it takes a little bit longer than just what we're doing in the office, and we understand that. And so when you come in for our whitening service, we will also make you guys custom bleach trays. So what are these bleach trays? Before we start the service, we will take molds of your teeth. These molds will then be used to make little trays that will fit to your teeth. And what we actually do is send you home with special bleach that you can kind of continue to bleach afterwards, so that you can try to get even whiter if you choose. These trays are also great to help prolong the life of your whitening result. So if you see after 6 months it's starting to get a little bit yellow again, you can use these trays, place the gel inside the tray, pop them in, and you can just be doing your laundry, cooking, what have you. Wear them over the course of several days. Some people will do it up to a week or two. And then you can kind of help bring that white back so that you're not having to do the in-house Zoom treatment as often. So if you guys haven't whitened your teeth before, and you don't like the way your teeth look, I encourage you to ask us for more information. It's a great service. I've done it on myself, and I definitely was shocked with the results that I can get. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call anytime. See you soon. Bye-bye.